Morning, you are watching my YouTube channel Z2 Tech, and today of my video is how to viral your shorts video in YouTube channel. So we can go with our YouTube channel. You can write on the Google YouTube keywords generator or keywords maker. So there you have show many website like turbo.com, rapid tag, keywords tool. There are many options, so this one is best option that you can choose the first one and create the YouTube tag generate. So you can upload your title of video and paste here. So like this I will upload the short video. Like when I go with our YouTube channel YT Studio, then I will go with short and I will click on the short video. Then when I click on the short video, and also I copy the tags for use viral title and upload video. It's so simple. So you also copy the title and paste on the tune pocket. So there is a website name is tune pocket. You can make perfect and professional generate the YouTube tags and viral your shorts video. So you can generate, you can show that there are 500 keywords that he give me for your generating. He can generate 500 keywords. And also now I will go on the YT Studio again, and when I go on the YouTube channel, it's very easy. So we will go over customize channel. When I go in customize channel, there is an option of content. When I go with short content, so like this is I will copy this and I will go on the contents and analytics. So the contents, and I click on the shorts, the first shorts. So we are on here. I also put the tags on description, and also I put on the all tags in on the tag section. So now I paste, you can paste the all tags and save this. So then this is the type of SEO we make, and it's very easy. So now we can discuss the next website, rapid tag. I already create video for rapid tag, how to create YouTube tags and find a great keyword using YouTube autocomplete. So this is also a great website, keyword tool. His name is keyword tool. You can paste your title in this here and create a perfect thumbnails and create the perfect keywords for YouTube shorts. So I will copy this title, and when I copy this title, I also paste on the second website to Tune Pocket and like keyword tool, how to change channel name and handle. And also I will go with the copy, and he give me 100 keywords, and it's very nice because this site is premium. So I have option, I will all copy this tag and paste on the white description. You can also create a perfect description from here. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So in next video I will tell you about how to create perfect videos from YouTube channel and how to upload videos. In next video I will tell you about vidIQ and many other things. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So this is the option. I will go on the show less, and I will go on the tag option. You can option the have many tags. So I will add these tags and save it again. So this is a perfect method to viral your short video in YouTube channel and make SEO of your YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. Now in next video I will tell you about more videos and more technology content. So goodbye.